Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Silk yarn manufacturing process. Fully grown silkworms. Making cocoon. Moth coming out of cocoon. Moth mating. Laying eggs. Two days after hatching. After first molt. After second molt. After third molt. After fourth molt. Making cocoon and turning into pupa. Then it's cocoon time. They spin their silk cocoon for 3 to 8 days. One strand, secreted by salivary glands, about 1,000 feet long. The chrysalis inside is then killed by stem or by laying in the sun or boiling. The cocoons are loosened in hot water and unwound. Several strands are spun together into a thread. Raw silk outside of cocoon. Fine silk inside of cocoon. Workers painstakingly remove clumps and debris. The silk is dyed any color of the rainbow. A warping wheel divides the fine silk thread. Fine silk. Raw silk. It takes about 2,500 silkworms to make 1 pound of silk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.